This is, wait, not this one. This is a $10 Dermaroller and this is a $20 one, which is the real Dermaroller. Most of us know that Dermaroller is an effective beauty device. It is inexpensive and lasts longer. If you ask me, Dermaroller is one beauty device that everyone must buy. Microneedling is a cosmetic procedure that involves making tiny micro punctures on the outer layer of the skin and the scalp. So it creates tiny wounds. Our body's natural mechanism tries to heal these wounds. This produces more collagen and elastin to heal the skin. This makes you look refreshing, younger and beautiful. This is called collagen induction therapy. When used on the scalp, it activates stem cells and increases health of hair follicles, resulting in increased hair growth. I am not saying this, but research and results are saying that microneedling is magical. Dermaroller is a device that performs microneedling. Dermaroller can improve conditions like acne, dark spots or hyperpigmentation, large pores, scars, stretch marks, hair growth, beard growth, eyebrow growth. So, a simple Dermaroller has several benefits. Check out my video on how to use Dermaroller for hair growth. There is a lot to talk about Dermaroller, but in this video, I am mainly focusing on choosing the right Dermaroller needles. Particularly, I came across two types of Dermaroller needles. Let's look at the first one. This is a 540 needle titanium Dermaroller. Whenever you search for Dermaroller, 90% of Dermarollers are of this type. This is the most common type. Look at the titanium here. Titanium is extremely durable and corrosion resistant even to body fluids. That means even the skin natural oils and sweat will not corrode titanium. The needles can also be made from stainless steel. Stainless steel is also hygiene and excellent metal for Dermaroller. So you should buy only those Dermarollers whose needles are made of stainless steel or titanium. Don't buy those Dermarollers made of cheap metals. Well, quality wise, this Dermaroller is great. However, the problem here is not with quality. It is the way the needles are made. These needles are created at the outer edge of a metal disc. Every metal disc typically has 60 sharp points. They will add 9 discs with a plastic between them. So you get 540 needles. These needles are not real needles. They have a triangular sharp point rather than a needle-like shape. So they are sharp at the top, but as you go down, they become wide. If you pierce your skin with this, instead of making a tiny hole, they slice open the skin with a triangular shaped holes. This can cause extreme pain and damage to the skin, which takes a long time to heal. Also, 540 needles is such a dense packing and it is not skin friendly. This comes around $5 to $10 in range. The second type we are going to see is real individual needle Dermaroller. In this type of roller, instead of a triangular edged discs, real pin-like individual needles are used. They are not made of any disc. They are just individually aligned needles. These needles have same thickness throughout and they are not like triangle shaped. The advantage with these type of needles is that they create real micro punctures that help in true microneedling process. The punctures made with this trigger collagen production and can be healed really fast. Of course, these needles are also made of titanium, but they have around 200 needles only, but this is actually enough. This is a good density of needles to create properly spaced holes on the skin. These Dermarollers can range from $15 to $30. So try to get a Dermaroller with real needles rather than discs. This is a short video to highlight the difference in the pins. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.